Hey there, welcome back to the Meat Thinker channel. Today I'm going to do a short video of how I clean the griddle insert after each cook. So let's get to it. It has been almost a year since I bought this griddle insert, and it has been the best investment I have ever made in terms of how versatile this little insert has been. I've done smash burgers, hibachi dinner, pancakes, fajitas, fried rice, and other meals, and it's been great. One thing I really like about this griddle insert is how easy it is to clean up and maintain to keep it ready to use after each cook. Today I spent the afternoon at the pool with the family and stayed way later than the original plan. When I got home, it was past dinner time and my wife and kids were getting hangry. Of course, we did not have dinner prep before leaving the house, and I did not want to drive to pick up something in a wet swimsuit. So I decided to fire up my Weber and make some Spam fried rice. It took a total of 20 minutes of cooking and the result was great. Kids enjoyed it, my wife enjoyed it, and I enjoyed it. Now it's time to clean up, and I'll take this opportunity to show you how I clean the griddle insert. First, try to clean the griddle as soon as you can. I tend to get pretty lazy on cleaning up after the meal, but leaving leftover food tends to attract insects and the grease becomes harder to clean. So be sure to get to it as soon as you can. Second, scrape off all food leftovers and toss them. One thing I like to do is to gather them and pick them up with a paper towel instead of pushing it down to the slot in the back. I know the slot is designed to push the grease and food debris into the grease management system. I try to stay away from that as much as I can because of one main reason: grease fire. Anything you cook on this griddle insert takes a very good amount of oil in the first place, but a lot of grease comes out when you start cooking meat. When you push all that oil and grease down to the slot, it will line the walls and flavorize the bars. If you like to run your griddle really hot, there's a good chance that it will catch a fire. It also makes the cleanup of the interior of the burner chamber a lot harder. Because of that, I move on to my third step: soak up the grease and pick up food debris with paper towel. This is not as easy as pushing everything down to the slot, but it keeps the grill cleaner. I just scrape them into a corner and wipe them up with paper towel. The last step of cleaning: put more oil on the griddle insert and lightly coat the entire cooking surface without leaving any dry spots. This is really important because this will keep your griddle insert rust free and ready to use when you fire it up next time. There you have it, cleaning the Weber Spirit full-size griddle insert. How do you clean your griddle insert after each cook? Do you push everything down the slot? Have you started a grease fire before? Please share your cleaning method in the comment section below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Please also check out my Instagram handle @MeatThinker. Thank you for watching and keep meat thinking.